dear brothers and sisters. We also welcome today our dear pilgrims, most especially the pilgrims from Caritas Tarlac City with their companion, Father O. Fernandez. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. What could be the secret of a beautiful project or a beautiful infrastructure? What can be the secret of a beautiful building or a certain work of art? More than the maker or the artist behind the said examples, more than the materials and the provisions given, I do believe that power made it beautiful. May ibinigay na lakas, oras, para sa ikagaganda. And sometimes, power has to be heavy. Power has to be firm and sometimes painful. Para gumaling ka sa pagkanta o pagsayaw, kailangan mo ng mahabang oras na ensayo at hindi madali iyon. You want to have a fit body and exercise can sometimes be painful. Whenever we wish to be a better person, no one becomes such just by the blink of an eye. Sometimes, in the powerful and heavy way, one becomes. Jacob encountered this man, whom scholars would say that it was God or an angel. But nevertheless, it was an encounter of power, powerful action and powerful words. And yet the fruit of power is the confirmation once more of God's call to Jacob. The fruit of power is to let Jacob feel that someone, God, encountered him face to face. And we've heard today how the Lord, in His power, drove out demons. In the power inside of His heart, love and mercy was extended to the people troubled and abandoned. Power made things beautiful. Power made lives beautiful. At alam ko po na madami po sa atin dito ang nagnanais na magkaroon ng maayos at tuwid na buhay. We too wishes to embrace our calling and to encounter the Lord. But to wish these things means encountering power in the biggest sense. Matitinding karanasan, masasakit na salita, nakakamulat matang mga diwa, and sometimes honest and powerful realizations. And these has formed the people now living and experiencing beautiful and wonderful lives. Kapag sinabi po natin sa ating sarili, Panginoon, tulungan mo naman akong magbago o umayos ang buhay na ito, then be ready to experience power. The power that can break, and most of all, the power that can heal and make you. We let God's power conquer and encounter us so that we can see ourselves embracing our vocation and living a life of grace.